Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I'm taking Maths of class 7th lesson number 6 simple equations exercise number 6.2 question number 5 solve the equations. In earlier video I have taken the question number 5 till D means fourth question of this question number 5 I have completed. Now I am continuing with the next question, that is question number E. Now what is given here in the question? It is given solve the equation and the equation is given 3x minus 1 divided by 5 minus x divided by 7 equals to 3. So here we have to simplify the equation, and after simplifying we have to take out the value of x. So here the both numbers are given in the form of rational numbers. So here we will take out the LCM, and the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So that is LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Simply multiply the denominator, that is 5 into 7, that equals to 35. So to get 35, what we did here, we have multiplied this 5 with 7. If we are multiplying the 5 with 7, that is the denominator, then we will multiply the numerator also with 7. And here we will divide the 7 with 5 to get denominator 35. So we have to multiply the numerator also with 5. So here we will write, that is 7 into 3x minus 1 divided by 7 into 5 minus 5 into x divided by 5 into 7, which is equals to 3. Now multiply this 7 with this whole bracket, that is with 3x and with minus 1. So here we will get 7 into 3x, that is equals to 21x minus 7 into 1, that equals to 7 divided by 7 into 5 is 35 minus 5 into x is 5x divided by 5 into 7 is equals to 35, that equals to 3. So here we got the denominators are same, so we will take the LCM as 35. So we will write it as 21x minus 7 minus 5x divided by 35 is equals to 3. Now we will transfer this 35 to right hand side, and we will multiply this 35 with 3 after transferring, as it is given in the form of division. So here we will write 21x minus 7 minus 5x equals to 3 into 35. Now 21x and 5x are variable terms, so we can simplify that. So it is given 21x minus 5x, and 21 minus 5 is equals to 16x. Then what is left? Minus 7, that equals to 3 into 35, that is 3 into 5 is 15, carry goes 1, then 3 into 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, that is 105 we got here. Now we will transfer this 7 to right hand side, so plus 7 will become minus 7, so that is 16x is left here, then 105 plus 7, then 16x equals to 105 plus 7 is equals to 112. Now we will transfer this 16 to right hand side in the form of division with 112 to get the value of x. So that is x equals to 112 divided by 16. Therefore x equals to 112 divided by 16 is equals to 7. So here we got the value of x as 7. Then the next question, that is question number F, and the question number F, it is given that 5x minus 4 divided by 8 minus x minus 3 divided by 4 equals to x plus 6 divided by 4. So here what is given, that we will write first, and here also we have to take out the value of x. So that is 5x minus 4 divided by 8 minus x minus 3 divided by 4 equals to x plus 6 divided by 4. So here we will take out the LCM of 8 and 4. So we know that how to take out the LCM, that is 8 and 4, they both are divisible with 2. So we will write here 2 into 4 is 8 and 2 into 2 is 4. Then again we will write 2, that is 2 into 2 and 2 into 1, then 2 into 1 and 1 we will write as it is. Therefore the LCM of this number is, we will multiply the factors whatever we got, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is equals to 2 into 2 is 4 into 2 is 8. So the LCM of 8 and 4 we got 8. Therefore here we will write LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So to get here already 8 is given and the LCM is 8, means we will multiply the numerator and denominator with 1, and here it is given 4, and to make this 4 as 8 we will multiply it with 2. It means we will multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. So here we will write 1 into 5x minus 4 divided by 1 into 8 minus 2 into x minus 3 divided by 2 into 4, which is equals to x plus 6 divided by 4. We will write as it is. Now multiply this 1 with whole bracket and 2 with whole bracket. So here 1 into 5x equals to 5x minus 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 1 into 8 is 8. Then minus 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 3 is 6 divided by 8, which is equals to x plus 6 divided by 4. Now here we got the denominator same, so we will take LCM as 8, so we can write it as 5x minus 4 minus, it is given, write this minus as it is, in bracket write down 2x minus 6 divided by 8, which is equals to x plus 6 divided by 4. Now here remove the bracket and minus sign which is given out of the bracket, multiply this sign with the sign which are given inside the bracket. So that is 5x minus 4 minus 2x, then minus minus will become plus, so that is plus 6 divided by 8 equals to x plus 6 divided by 4, right as it is. Then next, here both are the variable terms and here both are numerical terms, so we can simplify, that is 5x minus 2x will become 3x and minus 4x plus 6 it will be plus 2 divided by 8 equals to x plus 6 divided by 4. Now to simplify again, here we will apply the cross multiplication method. Okay, so here by using cross multiplication method, to perform the cross multiplication method, here we will multiply this 3x plus 2 with 4 and x plus 6 with 8. So we will write it as 4 into 3x plus 2 equals to 8 into x plus 6. Here we have to take out the value of x. So here we applied the cross multiplication. Now multiply this 4 with whole bracket and 8 with this whole bracket. So 4 into 3x equals to 12x, then plus 4 into 2 is 8, which is equals to 8 into x is 8x plus 8 into 6, that is equals to 48. Now here one variable term, one numerical term is present, here also one variable and one numerical. So shift variable term at one side and numerical terms at another side. So I will keep this 12x as it is and I will transfer this plus 8x to left hand side, so it will become minus 8x, that equals to, then what is left here, 48. Now I will transfer this 8 to right hand side and plus it will become minus 8, then 12x minus 8x, that equals to 4x, which is equals to 48 minus 8, and 48 minus 8 is equals to 40. Now I will transfer this 4 to right hand side in the form of division as it is given in the form of multiplication with x, and here we want the value of x, so that is x equals to 40 divided by 4, and 40 divided by 4 is equals to 10. So here we got the value of x as 10. I hope these both questions are understand by you. So in next part I am going to take the remaining questions whatever left of this question. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel.